Well, I'm going to start off by saying this is kind of a jumbled up video of a bunch of different things going on. We took the bushings in last week. The guy said he's going to have them ready tomorrow. Anyway, it's starting to storm a lot now. The cows are on the last run up by my house, and then we're going to move them back down to the south end of the pasture. I was able to get this cool rainbow picture of a storm that just came through, and it was pretty cool looking rainbow. So now we got the cows down here grazing on the south end. This is where we had all the red clover planted, so they're enjoying that down there. Tomorrow is supposed to be some really severe weather coming in. I got to go to work at the fire station. I picked the bushings up today, but unfortunately it's too dark to do any work on them, so I'm going to try to, if we get a chance, get them pressed in tomorrow at the fire station. We got a real nice press, 40-ton press up there in the shop that I can use to press them in, and doing it that way won't take very long. The guy was supposed to press them for me, but he just didn't have time, and he said it'd be a little bit longer if we wanted him to do it, so I told him, you know, we can get them pressed in ourselves, so that's what I'm going to try to do. We'll see how tomorrow goes and see how busy we are. Had a tornado come through here and destroy a couple houses back behind us. This road is all water. Dude, come look at this creek. See how high it's got since we got back. It's almost up to the bottom wire of that guy's fence. Finally got all the rest of these parts back from the machine shop yesterday. They got these all milled out. They were gonna push the bushings in for me, but they said it was gonna be a little while longer, so I told them I'd just go ahead and take them and push them in myself. So I got these bushings here in the freezer. We're putting 2 of them in, 1 per side. We're pushing them in an 1/8 past. Let's speed things up a little bit. So after a full day of running calls, we were able to get all the bushings pressed in that evening. Took us about 15 minutes to get them all done. And then I talked to my dad, and he said the creek water got really high, so the next morning after I got off shift, I went home to see what the damage was, and this is what we found. Here's the burn pile. So long story short, I got a little bit of a mess to clean up and a little bit of fence to repair. Well, alright guys, that pretty much does it for this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And with that, I'll see you next time.